What's up, TNS family? It's your boy Tuxx and your boy yeah. So today just doing a little bit of shopping and a little bit of running around. So we ended up in this shop. It's like halfway second-hand shop, halfway brand new. Nah, I'm actually yeah, like halfway second-hand shop, halfway not, because a lot of these things are still brand new or done up. Yeezys and then some kind of Nike shoes, toys all over the place, stuff for your house. So this is located right in up here, not far from McDonald's. Says it's somewhere around here. And we came with Dai and Sanga's family. Thought we'll turn it on. You never know, we might find some gems in here. Oh, actually, at the back I seen they were making some like prints for offies and that. Oh, here. Say mama. Here it is, fam. Fellas back here. My man. Alright, so we're walking around now. We've come out of the shop. To's been munching on chips, having his water. Looks a bit tired. He's gonna fall asleep soon. There, having a good look around. So they got all these shops around here. It's like convenience stores. Back home we just call it falisengas, like Asian shops. $2 shops.
Was that too soon?
That's huge.
But he'll go into it.
Yeah. Alright fam, so we have come to another shop. So it's kind of one of those ones, like every shop like pretty much has the same things, but they'll have other things that kind of separate, if that makes sense. Or like one shop has better quality than the other. Pretty much all the same stuff. All these kind of stuff.
Honey, look at these aloes.
It's kind of infused. Yeah, fam. They got all sorts of stuff. It's kind of looking like Bali at the moment, man. For the Louis and Gucci, Dior.
Honey, look at this. They're 35.
Nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. We're trying to figure out where to go for lunch.
Guys,
Boys at the back.
we don't know where to go eat.
Bit of shopping. Tour's gone over there. Bye, Tour.
Marinas?
Give us some help. Copacabana, Marinas, Macca's.
Not in ages.
Alright fam, so we made it to Amanaki. Tour's gone to sleep. Got a nice breeze coming through here. Everybody's sitting here ready to take their orders. Haven't seen a menu yet, but it's been alright. What's the menu looking like now? It's alright.
Hey guys, I got the chicken burger. Bible? Chicken burger, fish and chips, and poke. Poke looks really good.
Chicken burger.
Chicken chips.
Huh?
Chicken chips.
Good boy.
Chicken burger.
Sis?
Nothing.
Some ice? Some ice? Oh.
Okay, I'm about to wake up Tour. To have this fish and chips. Sanga's got a nice cheesecake there. Bro's got a chicken burger. I've got a bit of sashimi, tuna.
Guys, guess the bill.
Guess the
Closest to the bill, Sarah will shout you out.
Okay,
And she'll give you a follow too. $38 for the whole thing.
$438. Thank you to Diane and Sanga for shouting us. Thank you, CLC family.
Thanks, Baba. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you for coming. Son. Yeah, what happened to your shirt?
My shirt didn't eat all day. It's hungry. Back there.
You wanna come sit at the back?
At the booth.
Okay, come.
Go. Also on here. Go on the wheel.
Jump in. You go in. Okay.
Oh my god. Hey, your dad doesn't own a ute that get home.
What's up, guys? We're going now.
Where are you going?
Hey. Let's go. Choo!
Okay guys, I'm sitting at the back of the ute. Taru Sanga. Ife, come here. Me and Ethan. Ethan, are we having fun? No!
Hi, guys. I'm eating ice cream for scoops.
Alright guys, so we're back at the crib. Just chilling. Having a little breather because we did a lot of shopping. Was today a successful day, guys? Shopping wise.
You know what? I actually think we got good as deals. Guys, we went shopping. Do we even know the name of the shop?
Indoors.
Indoors, yeah.
Funny name.
It sounds weird. Why would they call it
Funny
indoors?
name.
Two hands. We went indoors. Oh, put your lip inside, yeah. So that. Oh, yo. I'm scared. We went to indoors and we bought
10 pieces of items.
10 pieces, sis. We got 2 sets of 2 pieces. Like, I think 7 dresses. Oh no.
I got 2 dresses.
You got 2 dresses. I got 2 dresses.
Via got 1 dress.
Via got a dress.
got one.
5. You got 1? 6
You got one.
dresses.
6 dresses.
So what's the other thing?
Puletasi.
Buletasis, me and your mums. And the total was how much, Diane?
1,390 tala.
But to be honest,
yeah,
that's a bargain.
it is.
Because it works out to be what?
$78 a piece.
$78 Australian. That's really good, guys.
And they're beautiful.
Yeah, like I said, you're gonna have to go follow our Instagrams. Links are down below. We'll wear it a Sunday, each Sunday.
She's actually really good at hustling.
No, I feel like I didn't do good.
Bargaining prices.
Indoor was hard. Their prices are set.
She was good to you though. She, like, if that was the market key, yeah,
They wouldn't. Yeah. But would you recommend them like to go in the shop? Say going to these like little boutique stores that are like in town. It's like where Macca's is. If you just walk around, you'll find it.
to the thing, the cinemas.
Cinemas, yeah. So this shop that we shopped at today, where we spent 1,390
Got some
tala.
Gucci glasses from there too. Gucci, guys, Gucci. The real deal.
The real deal, guys.
Not
That-
cram. 100% legit.
100% legit, guys. You see that?
You never get this anywhere.
You won't get this anyway. Only in Samoa.
100% legit, no scram.
Hey,
Guess
we
the
got
price.
this. Guess how much this was our favorite buy of the whole day.
Okay, let's get the details.
Can you guys just get the Yep, get that in there. Guys, do you see that? Do you see the details in this bag?
Like it.
You like it a lot, don't you? This is definitely a local ako.
Yeah.
You can wear it to local. You can wear it. Where else can you
Wear it to the beach.
wear it to the beach?
Take it to work. Yeah.
Yeah, you can wear.
Show your YPs. Kaya YPs.
You can definitely.
Quite my lord.
Yeah, for the oldies, you can take it to bingo. But guys, guess how much this was. Drum roll.
Tell them about the difference in prices,
50 tala.
which is 25.
25 Australian.
We got scrammed, guys.
She got
100% scrammed.
Where's your bag? Show
Show your bag. Where's your bag?
Go get your bag that we got similar to this but smaller. Via got a bag like this from the market. 80 bucks.
80 tala. And you gotta see it. Like to be like, what?
$20 for that
80,
bag.
80 tala.
80 tala.
And in the shop we got this from, it was 20 tala. The same bag.
Why did
So,
you
guys,
that? Oh, did Bowen get that side back?
This was from Funale.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
This was $80 from Funale. But at the shop, the indoor shop that we went to, like the little boutique, it was 20 bucks.
So shop around, guys.
Go for a walk.
Wait, that's so cute though. That's so you. Like vintage, eh? I like the handle, the details on the handle. Okay guys, this is our earring set. And how much were these, Di?
2 for 10 and 1 for free.
Yeah.
If you buy 2, you get 1 for free.
So basically, they're 6 tala each. That is worth it.
$3.
Beautiful. Oh, oh, your sleeves are so nice. I like that green one.
Yeah, this green is nice.
It's like, oh no, it's not like this. Okay, family, we're gonna end the vlog here. It's been a successful day of shopping. We just went out and we got some dinner, and Tony and Baby actually crashed out. I'm gonna join them, so I'm gonna sign us out. Tomorrow though, we're gonna bring these guys along on our vlog to Mufali, where we will have kongai, Sunday kongai with my nana and our family, and we will see you guys then. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tova, soifua, choo.